Good morning, students. Now we will solve some of the numerical problems related to errors. So let us see, one question is here. A physical quantity x, okay, and that x is given by a square into b cube upon c under root d. Okay. So the percentage error in a, b, c and d are: percentage error in A is 4%, percentage error in B is 3%, percentage error in C is 2%, and percentage error in D is how much? It is 1%. Okay. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the percentage error. So we have studied earlier that when we are finding out the relative error, and after that when we are multiplying by 100, so we will get the percentage error. So this quantity can be written as delta x upon x into 100. So this is what the relative error, and into 100%. So this will give you the percentage error in the measurement of x. So what we will write? We will write 2 delta A upon A plus 3 delta B upon B plus delta C upon C plus 1 by 2 delta D upon D. This thing we have learned in the previous lecture into 100%. Okay? So that power will come in front, and what we are finding? Maximum possible error. So all the plus sign, there will be no negative sign over here. Okay, remember this thing. Many students generally they put minus sign when they are solving the denominator portion. So remember that in all the cases, whether we are doing plus, minus, multiply, divide or some power, the error will always be added. Okay, because we are finding out the maximum possible error. So 2 into delta A upon A into 100% plus 3 into delta B upon B into 100% plus delta C upon C into 100%. This will multiply. Okay, so 1 by 2 delta D upon D into 100%. Okay, so 2 percentage error in the measurement of A is how much? 4% plus 3 into percentage error in the measurement of B is how much? 3%. Percentage error in the measurement of C is how much? 2% plus 1 by 2 percentage error in the measurement of D is how much? 1%. Okay, so 8% plus 9% plus 2% plus 0.5%. So 8 and 9, 17, 18, 19. So 19.5%. So in this way you will find out the percentage error. Okay. Now see the next one, resistance. This we know Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I. So this is in the form of error that we have studied, error in the quotient. So we know that resistance is equal to voltage upon current, and V voltage is given 100 plus minus 5. Current is given 10 plus minus 2 ampere. So we have to find out the percentage error in the resistance. So first we will write down the resistance. How much is the resistance? R. R is equal to V upon I. So this one is the V and this one is the absolute error. Okay, that we have studied. So V is how much? 100 upon current is how much? 10. So that is 10 ohm. Okay. Nextly, to find out the relative error, delta R upon R is equal to how much? Delta V upon V plus delta I upon I. If we are finding out the percentage, we will write 100 here. Okay. So that we will find out later on. First you find delta V upon V, or this one, or it is better you put here 100 also. Okay. So delta R upon R into 100, that is equal to how much? Delta V is how much? 5 upon delta, this is delta V is 5, V is 100, plus what is delta I? Delta I is 2, and this one is how much? 10. This is here 0.2, it is actually it is 0.2. Okay, so into 100. So this comes out to be 5 upon 100 plus this will be 2 upon 100. So it will become 7 upon 100. Okay, and in terms of percentage, so that will become 7%. Okay, thank you.